Right, today, which way should we have it? That way, that way, that way, that way. Right, today I'm just going to run through what I do after every race meeting with regards to my clutches. These are the life and soul, the heart of your 1000 RZR turbo, whatever you've got. If these ain't working right, then you ain't going nowhere. They are so critical. If you've got a good setup clutch, your buggy will run fine, you won't kill belts. If it's set up incorrectly, you'll get belt slip, you'll kill belts, you won't get the full power down to the ground. So you've got to keep on top of them. I've seen so many lads at racing that just get the buggy at the end of the race meeting, jet wash it off, and that's it. If it looks clean on the outside, it's got to be good. But the amount of dirt and shit that gets into these, it's unbelievable. I mean, I do go over the top, but in between each race, I take my cover off, get the airline in, blast in and out the clutches, get any dirt, debris. I mean, you're unlikely to get a tiny little bit of dirt that will all of a sudden knack your clutch in an instant, but over a period of time, it'll be grinding away if you leave it, and they'll just not last as long. You know, if you don't clean your clutches out, they'll probably work fine, but you need to replace them every 6 months. If you clean them out, you might get a year, 2 years out of them before they really start showing signs of wear. Dead simple. I mean, I haven't videoed taking them off, because I'm presuming if you're going to start stripping your clutches down, you at least know how to take them off. Yeah, so yeah, it's not rocket science. You ain't got to be a top technician. Just pull them off, and then we'll get on to the next bit and show you what I do.